A Yeti is a great big beast who's slow and hairy, and a little bit smelly. Plus, Yetis stomp a lot. Stomp, stomp, stomp. It's so great being a Yeti, it makes me want to yell. Yeti, 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 Yeti! Stomp, stomp, stomp. I'm stomping that Yeti stomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp. I'm stomping that Yeti stomp.
Can you dance, Meg?
Stomp, stomp, stomp on a Yeti. Hear my Yeti yell, Yeti, Yeti, Yeti. Stomp, stomp, stomp on the Yeti. Smell my Yeti smell.
What are we eating, Meg? Is that pudding? Let's zoom in here and see how effective you're being. Not too... Oh! Nah. That's okay. We have a bib. You're pretty focused. We did alright with corn. Not a big fan of spaghetti. However, willing to work hard for pudding. Do you like the pudding? Is it yummy? Yum, yum, yum.
La la.
Do you want any more?
No.
More?
No.
You got more. You got a whole thing there.
No. More.
Eat what you got.
No. No. No.
You're okay.
Megan. Megan, what are you doing, Meg? Oh no.
No, no. Where'd you learn that trick? Where's your blanket? It's like your mother in college. Passing out.
Megan, are you going night-night? Say hi!
Yeah.
Hi! Say hi! Say hello! What are you doing? Are you kicking? Where's your foot? Where's your nose?
No.
Where's your nose? Good job! Nose. Good job. Show where your nose is. Where's your ear? Show them your ear. Where is it? You know. Oh, your foot. More interested in the foot. Say hi. Hi. Say bye-bye. Gosh, when I'm filming her, it's like I'm filming her through these bars.
Prison.
Prison.
Yeah, he was laying there. Some of this goofy juice for the airplane. No.
Megan.
Oh, what's this? It's not a bubble. Hi. Hi.
Where's Daddy's nose? There it is.
Nose.
His nose.
Thank you.
Hi. Night night, bunny. Night night.